Handling flight abnormalities. During operations, operators must constantly monitor the status of the operation device. In case of an emergency, the operator shall respond quickly and perform emergency operations using either emergency commands through the XAG1 app or remote controller takeover. Emergency operation commands on the XAG1 app. In case of any emergency, first tap hover. The drone will hover in the air at the current position. At this moment, the flight height will not change, thus to provide sufficient time for handling the emergency. Tap more to operate the drone according to the condition of operation: field, landing, RTH, tap and go, terrain following, obstacle avoidance, and adjustment of operation flight parameters. Tap landing and slide the icon for confirmation. The drone will vertically land to the ground as commanded without judging the condition below. Prior to forced landing, please confirm the safety at the landing point. Tap RTH and slide the icon for confirmation. The drone will return to the takeoff or landing point from the current hover position and land. Tap tap and go. A prompt message will pop up. Select confirm to enter the tap and go screen. Drag the map to select the target point, which must be within a 50 meters radius of the current position of the drone. Zoom in the map and select the accurate target position. Set the flight speed and flight height according to the actual condition. Then tap the go button. The drone will automatically go to the target position. In case of any special situation during the tap and go, tap stop, and then the drone will hover at its current position. After tapping exit, a prompt box will pop up. Tap OK to return to the operation screen, and tap continue to complete the remaining flight operation tasks. During flight, if any operation flight parameter is found to be unreasonable, you can tap operation parameters to adjust the current flight parameters of the drone. Emergency operation using Smart Remote Controller 4. When the drone is flying, press on the right side of the remote controller. The drone will stop operation and hover. When the safety risk disappears, press again to continue the operation. When the drone is flying or in manual mode, long press on the left side of the remote controller to trigger RTH. The drone will return to the takeoff or landing point according to the set parameters. Tips for use of remote controller. 1. During manual control of the flight of the drone, make sure the nose orientation is straight ahead of you. 2. When controlling the drone to ascend or descend, confirm that the area within 10 meters of the drone is clear of people. 3. During normal flight of the drone, it is forbidden to turn the joysticks in a position, simultaneously toe in or toe out, that will start the motor, since this action will cause motor stalling in the air, further resulting in stalling of the drone.